How long do pool filters last? Well, to give you a numerical answer, between 3 to 5 years, but that really kind of depends. Do you have a very large cartridge filter on a very small pool, or do you have the opposite of that? Do you have a very small cartridge filter on a very large pool? The amount of physical debris that the filter removes and the pressure that your system operates at will dictate how long your filters last for. Additionally, the cleaning process that you used for cleaning your filters will also have a lot to do with the longevity of your filter elements. For example, you might have heard you're not supposed to pressure wash cartridge filters to clean them. I mean, it does a pretty good job and it's hard to clean in between the pleats, so why can't you use a pressure washer? The reason is that the elements are just made from paper and they're not strong enough to absorb the force from a pressure washer. And what happens is you end up embedding physical debris deep into the paper element such that the pressure will always be high in your system. That's typically how you know it's time to clean a cartridge filter, because the pressure of your system will be high. If you were to take it, clean it, and return it to the system where the pressure is low, and within 24 hours the pressure has gone high again in your system, that's an indication that the filter has now become damaged over time and has reached the end of its service life, and it's time to replace that. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.